What's up guys, Myung and Jacob here from Camera to Freedom. Now, he got it straight from the dealer, $1,000, but it's already worn out. The hinges are worn out. When it rains, it leaks and it's horrible. So we're gonna take this out and then we're going to install tonneau covers from YitaMotor, and we also got some floor mats as well too. So we're gonna install that and show you guys how to install it. We're actually gonna learn it together. We haven't installed it before, so we're gonna learn it together, see how the quality is, and then you guys can then decide if you guys do want it. I'll put the Amazon link below, and if you do buy from us, I appreciate that so much.
Hop in the car, watch it go vroom, vroom. I told her mom that I blow soon, soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my room, room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom.
So you have to get this bracket and slide it from
so
here all the way.
They tryna talk, they not in the room. I've been so real, I'm back to the tune. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my low at, don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dot in those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate with like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise. It's real.
I like how it doesn't have the rubber piece here, the rubber seal that will fade and rot.
Rain test.
Looks dry to me.
Alright, so that was an easy installation. First time doing it. I mean, you saw how simple that was. So
right.
I love how secured it is.
I like how it's secured all the way around.
Yeah.
It doesn't have that rubber piece in the middle that rots.
Yeah.
That lining.
Yeah, that caused a leak when it rains.
Yeah, when it rains. And the number one thing is it's light.
It's light.
Compared to that one.
Yeah, that's true. So you could easily by yourself.
Yeah, take it out, fold it.
Fold it. Yeah, that's cool. I love that too. All right, guys. So that concludes our video. I'm gonna put the link below if you guys are interested in buying it. Thank you guys for watching it all the way through. Hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
All right, thank you.
All right.